What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw and color pink from Rainbow Friends. Let's start today's lesson by drawing those two large extensions for the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center at the very top. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes out and we'll bend that straight up. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Going out and then up. Let's round out the top. We're going to go up and curve this back down towards the outside. It's like almost like drawing a half circle. Now the eyes are going to get narrower as you come back in towards the body. So let's start back on the left. It's going to come down and then just pull that in towards the bottom. Now from here, we're going to draw two large ovals along the top of the eyes. From the top left, step down, come all the way down towards the bottom of the oval, and then back up towards the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down towards the same height, and then bring that back up. Let's trace those ovals on the inside. Going all the way around, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each pupil. And we'll add a small circle along the bottom right. Now you want to fill the inside of the pupils going around those highlights. Now from here we're going to draw the top edge of the head. On the left side, curve this up and then bend that back down. Now we're going to move underneath the eyes. We want to leave a little overlap, so we're going to step out, come down, and then bend that out towards the side. Let's round out the edge of the head, going all the way around, come down, and then just pull that in. Leave a gap in between. Now I'm going to place the mouth inside the head. Starting right in the center, I'm going to draw an oval, go all the way across toward the left. Just going to round this out, go out towards the right, and then just pull that back up in the center. Now I'm going to separate the teeth with a straight line from left to right. And it'll separate the teeth with a straight vertical line. So we'll start in the center, move over toward the left, and then just repeat this all the way towards the corner of the mouth. Let's go back and work in the right side. Now we're going to tuck the body in underneath the head. On the left, let's step out, curve the body coming in, and then out towards the hip. And we'll bend the leg going out and then down toward the knee. And we'll bring the legs back in with a curve toward the bottom of the feet. Let's round out the bottom of the leg, coming around and just pull that up. Now you want to trace the legs along the inside. So start back on the left, pull this up towards the inside of the knee, and connect the ends with a curve, going up the middle, and we'll bend that back down. Now let's go in with a bright pink marker and fill the inside of the body going around the eyes and the mouth. And once we finish coloring this in, we'll be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color pink from Rainbow Friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.